fellow explorers, in this video with my buddy Peter here, the fishmonger, I'm going to show you around the Sydney Fish Market. I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see what I can see. Now, this fish market is the largest fish market in the southern hemisphere of the world, and it's kind of like a tsukiji that maybe you heard of in Japan, where they do fish auctions, but then they have a number of vendors where you can buy the fish out here. The fish auctions are closed to the public, but all these other vendors which buy them then sell them to you. You can get the raw fish to bring home, but you can also get cooked seafood. We're starting here inside Peter's at the Sydney Fish Market, but I'm going to show you others. You can get the lobster platter for $41.50, octopus salad, salt and pepper fish, barramundi with chips, grilled prawns, those are big prawns, for $8.50, barbecue octopus, grilled octopus, seafood kebabs, hello, and half lobster mornay that's served with chips or French fries. Now back in the uncooked section right here, it's a big area in the middle here of Peter's, and in this section, it's the sushi and sashimi section. They've got sea urchin for $23.99. Bento boxes, salmon caviar right there. That little bottle, $38.99. The salmon bento, $22.50. The salmon sashimi, oh, this is expensive, from New Zealand, $79.99 a kilogram. They're making up fresh sushi, rolls, nigiri, which is just the rice with the fish on top, crab meat lava, I'm not sure what that is, Pacific oysters. You can get the cooked Western Australia rock lobsters, $84.99 a kilogram. The ones from Tasmania, $79 a kilogram. King crab legs, $89 a kilogram. Scandi grade sashimi is $80 a kilogram. This isn't the cheapest seafood, but good seafood is expensive. All right, let's go by Peter again here, and I'll show you the next stall, which is the Fish Market Cafe Barbecue and Grill. They also have a sashimi section, but they have these that are really cool. These are sushi tacos. I've never seen a sushi taco before. That is an interesting creation. And they've got a lot of cooked seafood back that way. There's another place, Christie's, for cooked seafood. And then this Tropic Company right here for uncooked seafood. All right, here, take a look at this. What do we got? We've got a Murray cod. And up here, we've got some salmon bowls and poke bowls. Poke bowls have made it to Australia, too. As we came in the front door, the boat shed has a lot of nice places to sit at. So if you're looking for someplace to sit, or you can just get oysters here from Peter's Oyster Bar. Now, some of these stalls have seating areas inside, but there's also a big seating area outside that we're going to check out. Then there's actually a really big outside section of this fish market, but that's mostly for the industrial type of buyers. Here, they're making cooked up scallops and lobster rolls that they're grilling hot right there. Those look tasty. These things are super popular down in Mexico, so interesting to see them served up here. This is a sushi bar, and actually you can see in the back they've got a little sushi bar right back there, and they serve omakase sushi at the sushi bar. If you want to pick up some wine, they've got some fine wines here at Fisherman's Fine Wines. Gregory's Bread is funny. They've got 4 tables, and they've got a sign that says no seafood allowed. Well, the tables are only for Gregory's Bread customers. But they look like pretty good tarts and desserts. But don't bring your seafood to their tables. This is inside Nicholas Seafood Traders. The floors are wet because there's a lot of seafood and they're washing it down. This is a really big piece of swordfish. Look at that big piece of swordfish. Trout. By the way, this seafood market opens and closes early. It opens at 7 in the morning to the public and closes at 4 p.m. So if you're going to be coming here, make sure you come here early. In this little container, we've got live abalone. Yeah. Wow, look at that live abalone. All right, let's go ahead and squeeze through here if we can. That live abalone is $79.99 a kilogram. The baby abalone right up here is only $9.99 each. I'm not sure how much they weigh, so I'm not sure how much that works out. This is the live lobster, and it takes probably 25 minutes to process it if you want to buy it. Oh, here we have the live Southern Rock lobster, 119 a kilogram. That is a big lobster. I wonder if I bought one of those, if I could carry it on the plane. I know in Japan, in Hokkaido, in Sapporo, in the airport, they actually sell live lobsters and let you know that you can carry it on the plane with you back to Tokyo if you so choose. More cooked seafood over here. This way we've got more sashimi, smoked eel, though that comes from China, not quite from Australia. And then back out into the main walkway, there's like I would call this almost like a little grocery store. They call it Deli Cafe, where you can get like sandwiches and toasts and cheeses, something you might find in like a standard, maybe like farmer's market, something like that. And then as we come out this way, there's a little place that sells like boba tea drinks called Machi. And then back over here, we've got really the farmer's market place that sells produce, fresh juices. 1 liter of watermelon juice from Australia is going to cost you $18 right here for this little bottle of watermelon juice. The traveling princess, my daughter, really loves watermelon juice. Chocolate dipped strawberries. And then back over here, the big shop for all of the produce. Most of it is the product of Australia. And now back out here, we've got the outdoor seating area. And if you wonder why nobody's sitting out here, is because it's kind of a rainy day. Actually, not kind of a rainy day. It's actually a rainy day. But I want to take you out here to see it so that you can see if you come out here on a sunny day where you could potentially sit and just see how nice this seating is and this harbor view is right here. Well, fellow explorers, if you love seafood and you're coming to Sydney, definitely check out the Sydney Seafood Market. Hey, if you're coming to Australia or you're interested in Australia, you might enjoy some more of my Australia videos. You'll find links on the screen or in the description below. As usual, I won't say goodbye because I'm going to see you over there.